Ashley Kwamboka from Migori TTC. As I was exploring around the college, I was able to identify one major problem, which is pollution. And for pollution, I majorly consider that it is caused by waste disposal. And for waste disposal, we have the disposal of plastic, which I mainly majored on. This is because you find that people just dispose waste improperly, therefore leading to pollution. And the major effect of the plastic pollution, we have health risks. This is whereby microplastics and other plastic particles can be ingested through contaminated water sources, therefore leading to various kind of health risks. To curb this problem, I came up with a solution to do a project on innovative gardening, whereby I will use innovative gardening to do fruit cultivation to be able to reduce the disposal of plastics all over. Understood?
Yes. Kasuku from Migori TTC, and as I was exploring around our environment, I came to realize that there is a major problem that is pressing this our environment, which is soil erosion. This soil erosion is brought about by topography. To me, most of our lands are steepy and they are prone to water runoff, and this has affected those areas so that they are the small channels are widening and they continues to deepen. So to curb this problem, I came up with a solution, which is to plant trees and avoid the soil from being taken away from by the runoff of the surface. So we will plant trees to cover up that soil, and it will be good, and it will control those channels from being widening and deepening. Have you understood?
Yes. Linza Odero from Migori Teachers Training College. As I was exploring around the school compound, I came to recognize the problem of weed around our farms, and weed is mainly caused by seed dispersal mechanism. Where seed dispersal mechanism, we have agents like wind and insect. Wind carry the seeds of the weeds to different places, making them to grow in different places of the farm. The effect of these weeds, they cause soil depletion, where they lose the soil nutrient, making soil to be in good health. And then I came to recognize a project that can curb this problem, that is rearing of rabbit. We can rear rabbit in our school since rabbit has numerous importance. Have you understood, class?
Yes. My name is Geoffrey from Migori TTC. As I was exploring the college, I came to find out that our main problem is the problem of food waste. This food waste has been caused by kitchen refuse and food leftovers. It has affected the environment by one, it has caused a pollution since it produces a gas called methane, which is very poisonous to the environment. So to curb this problem, I saw it wise that we can start a pig project since pig feed on the remains of the food. Thank you. Have you understood?
Yes.
My name is Kadeo Violet from Migori TTC. As I was exploring around the school, I came to realize that there is a major problem affecting the school, which is soil erosion. And this soil erosion is caused by lack of vegetation cover, which majorly affects it. And the main effect of the soil erosion is that it loses soil fertility, making the land infertile, not easy to grow any crop. And to my solution, I therefore came up with a solution to solve this problem. I decided to carry out tree planting projects so as we can curb the problem of soil erosion in our school. Are we together?
Yes. So, group, according to how we have presented our projects, which project are we selecting as our appropriate project to carry out as a group?
I think we can carry out the project of rearing rabbits, since rabbits has numerous importance to our compound. Rabbits can provide us with manure, which is naturally good for the soil and improve soil fertility. Do we agree with that?
No. According to me, I am not of that option of rearing rabbits since it needs a lot of attention and we will not manage it with our academic works.
For me, I was proposing that we do the project on innovative gardening. This because we will be able to curb the disposal of plastic waste all over the school compound, and it enable us to have a clean environment. Do you all agree?
I contradict the project since the bottles won't decompose. Naturally, they can't decompose, and still there will be pollution of the environment.
With me, I was proposing the project of tree planting. Tree planting because it will help us to prevent soil erosion, which is majorly affecting the school compound, because its roots will bind up the soil particles, which is easier solution to control the soil erosion. Do you agree?
Yes, we agree.
I support the point since trees naturally they have importance to our even worldwide. Trees are very good. They are easy to take care of and they are naturally good to the environment.
I also support the project of tree planting since the affected areas are continuing to deepen and they are widening. So it is good to plant those trees to avoid that effect before it goes worse.
Is that a big project?
I think pig project will take a lot of time since maintenance of pigs is not as easy as planting of trees. You know, you will need much attention to give the pigs since for them to grow up and be in a good way.
So you have said that. So this will start because pig is a bit difficult.
Okay, so we are just suggesting that we support this project of tree planting because those channels are widening and we should control them as early as possible. Let us just agree to start this project of tree planting group. Are we agreeing?
Yes, we agree.
So as a group, we have decided to come up with a project of tree planting because
The leaves will provide us with organic manure.
The trees will regulate air in the environment.
Also, the trees will provide us with some kind of shade in the college.
and also these trees will help us to control soil erosion, where their roots will bind the soil particles together, preventing further erosion to occur in the school compound.